Alright guys, welcome back to Addicted to Tinkering. Working on my fence today, putting in a new fence and using my excavator. Right, I really like this thing, but as I've been noticing I've been getting thirsty, so I'm starting to make a cup holder for it. Right, so where do you put a cup holder on an excavator? Is really where to put it. So my thought was on this rail, so I 3D printed this test piece that clips on there really good, and here. So idea would be make it longer, another one here, put a cup holder in the middle. So we'll see how it goes. I'll do up the CAD part and then I'll show you guys a picture and then we'll print it and then I'll show you how it fits. Be back. All right guys, this is what we come up with. This is 2 individual pieces. This is Tinkercad, by the way. And so it will clamp around this side rail, and this one will clamp around this bottom rail. And the reason I have them as 2 separate pieces is just for printing purposes. I think it'll just be easier to print this, snap these in place, and then just glue this part right here. So we'll see how it prints, and then we'll go from there. So I'll bring you back after it's done printing and we'll put her together. Alright guys, print's done. Clamp for around the bottom post, and then this will be for the cup and the side post. I gotta peel that section off right there. Let's see if we can. Alright guys, moment of truth. Here's the bottom piece. Popped on really good. And then here's the top piece. Oh no. I may have made it too stiff. It's gonna break going on. Yep, it's too stiff. We'll have to make the top piece a little bit bigger. And we also don't go down far enough. But honestly, put that on there, it might, if I get that right, it might just stay on there by itself. And that's on there pretty good. I think it would sit right there. I don't think it would fall. Alright, well, it broke. Back to the drawing board. We can at least see if this fits though. So that fits in there. So just got to adjust the size a little bit so that it doesn't break. Make it not as stiff so it can actually bend. Probably actually just take these corners off right here. That's probably what was stopping it. So let me do that. We'll reprint it and we'll try again. Alright guys, version 2. We'll see if it does any better. We'll see. We'll print it up, see what happens. We'll test it. I'll print it over tonight and then I'll put it on tomorrow. We'll see what happens. We'll be back. Alright guys, the print's done. Fortunately it's dark outside right now, but we will put this on the excavator tomorrow and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, we're back. Let's see here. We got the 3D print done. We're gonna put it on the excavator right here. If it'll fit, let's see. Fits there. And fits there. Look at that, it's perfectly solid. And dust off. Look at that. Perfect. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, just needed a cup holder for this thing because it was floating around on the floor and getting under my pedals and whatnot. So now I just got it. It's been raining. I got to get this, put it back up underneath there because the rain, more rain's coming. But we actually made 2 cup holders. This one, I didn't get that measurement right, so that's just kind of like sitting there. It's not really touching, but that one's really good, and that fits, and it doesn't fit on that one really. So 2 cup holders, and I'm gonna probably make a cell phone mount or GoPro mount that just snaps on here too. So that'll be fun. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Addicted Tinkering, and we'll see you next time.